Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to stitch Churidar. This is the fabric that I bought. This is the shawl and this is the fabric for the pant. Firstly, we take the measurements. I've used a reference cloth here. Comment down if you want a video on how to take your measurements yourself. Once you've properly placed the fabric, start marking the shoulder, the sleeves, and the neck. Now mark the slit area. To mark the sleeves, you can also use a French curve. Now for the slit, we'll need at least 1 inch. Mark that and draw a straight line. Add 1 inch space from the reference cloth that you've marked. Once you're done cutting, we have to cut the sleeves now. The fabric should be in 4-fold. Take your reference cloth and mark the sleeves measurement. The sleeves too should have at least 1 inch seam allowance. Once you're done, mark the center and keep it aside. Now, Churidar fabric already has the neck design stitched. So we'll use canvas. Mark how much is needed. Take the measurements in the canvas and iron it onto the cloth. And stitch it as shown. Now mark the center of the front part of the churidar that we cut and align it together. Make sure to pin it for stability. Since the design is at the back, that's where I'll be stitching along the line. Now cut along, but not exactly on the stitch. Leave at least half an inch space. Make sure to give tiny cuts so that the finishing comes in the neckline. After that, iron it and height. Draw a curve. Now iron this onto a leftover fabric. And same as before, cut off the sides and stitch it. Now mark the center. Take the back piece and mark the center of that too. Align the fabric. Pin it and stitch along the sides. After cutting the excess fabric off, and making tiny cuts, do not flip the fabric just yet. Take the front piece and put it in between the back neck. Pin the shoulder. Mark a slope of 1 inch. And stitch it. Make sure to give 2 running stitches. And a lock stitch. Once you're done with both the sides, this is how it will look like. Now that we're done with the neck, we'll attach the sleeves and then we'll stitch along the side. From the sleeves till the part where the slit is going, we'll have 2 running stitches. Now let's work on the slit. It's better to put pins before stitching it, or you can also iron it if you want extra finishing. The slit would be half an inch, and we took 1 inch before and we fold it 2 times. And after pinning it, we'll start stitching along the edge. And our churidar is ready. The neck has a beautiful finishing. Let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more stitching tips like this.